Pathaw Arajar Atusan.
Mawlai MDC Teiborlang Pathaw has resigned from his position as executive member today and submitted his resignation letter to the CEM of KHADC, Penyat Singh's aim. Recently, residents of Mawlai convened a public meeting at Mawlai Nonglom, where they encouraged him to run as an independent candidate in the upcoming MDC election, urging him to leave NPP. Responding to his supporters' request, Pathaw declared that with respect to the people's decision, he decided to contest the MDC election as an independent candidate. Speaking to reporters, Teiborlang Pathaw confirmed that he has resigned from his role as an executive member of KHADC and as a primary member of the NPP effective immediately.
Developments that on the 4th of, that was on Saturday, there was a meeting in which my supporter and people of Mawlai was there, in which they have urged me to go as an independent candidate. They told me to leave the party and to fight as an independent candidate for Mawlai constituency. So today I have come to meet CM to submit my resignation as an executive member and to withdraw my support from the EC. That is what I have done, and then I have sent a letter to the president of the NPP Meghalaya unit also, that I have resigned as the president of Shillong City and media in charge of Meghalaya.
The Hinyao Trap Youths Council, or HYC,